One of the reputations that PCW Commercial Windows has built over the years is early engagement. You know, if builders have got something they need us to sort out, we do it. So we're pretty much all custom or made to order. There's nothing production line about us. Once the builder is engaged themselves on a project, there's been so many situations where they'll come to us to sort out how they're going to go about the job, whether it be staging or specific technical detail or ideas or cost savings. We've managed to become one of those early engagement window suppliers that people can rely on. We focus on the commercial building sector, so hospitals, schools, car showrooms, a lot of industrial, the higher volume side of the industry, multi-storey apartment work, and we manufacture anything from bifolds, glazed hinge doors, sliding windows, gas strut warning windows, servery windows. You know, we do glass roofs, so we can pretty much turn our hand to anything. We service builders anywhere from south of Sydney all the way through the north of Newcastle and Central Coast. The jobs can be very complex and complicated. I would think we would be one of the preferred suppliers of commercial windows and doors throughout the region. We're not a production line company. Everyone is taught all facets of how to manufacture a commercial window, commercial door, or whatever we're making. The experience side of things is extremely important with the fabrication of windows. So we've got probably some of the best fabrication experience in the industry through our management team, and the second part of that is the installation process. We're not just a fabricator and a supply-only business, we install. So we're very fortunate to have very experienced and capable installers. It's a reputation that we've built with our builders over a long period of time. Some of the projects, yes, they have quite large frames got to be installed, or intricate frames or intricate detail. So it allows us to not second guess ourselves if we're going to take on a larger project. Some commercial window fabricators don't offer a security screen product as part of their manufacturing process. They would have to outsource it, which we did a long time ago. We just felt like we should be manufacturing it, you know. It's like, oh, do you want fries with that when you're doing a building? So it made sense to swap to Amplimesh because we have a Capral truck arrive every day, and the Amplimesh product has a really good reputation. It covers all the Australian standards, so it made sense. Capral has been my supplier of aluminium for well over 20 years. I can tell you now they've been my mainstay. I can't recommend them enough. Their products are always quality. They've got powder coating in-house, which is fantastic, so it takes out one extra step in the process. There's energy ratings in windows these days. There's acoustic. It's almost a one-stop shop for me to approach them and go, guys, we need some help with this. They're there to help straight away. In my opinion, Capral are probably one of the best innovators. We've had various scenarios where we needed something extruded, we needed a design change, we needed them to create an extrusion for a particular job, and that became a regular product. So the ability for them to custom or to innovate or to modify, they're pretty amazing at that. When Locale was explained to us last year, we wanted to be part of it. So we actually use it on our branding now as well. We feel because they've jumped on it early, we're leading the charge as well. All of the aluminium that we purchase off Capral is sourced from Locale. They are prepared to come and help educate the industry, the construction industry. We've had presentation days with Capral aligned with PCW with a room full of architects to explain to them why we're doing this and how it can benefit them. It's really nice to see the product go out the door, to know what we've done over the last 20 years, especially over the last 5 to 10 years. I think people are proud to work for PCW Commercial Windows. You could drive around the coast and every second corner you go around, we've had a part of that building, you know, some of the big icon buildings. But certainly having a second family that you come to work every day and watching how hard everybody works for PCW, I feel very, very proud of the staff. Yeah, they're very good at what they do.